Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to carve text in Illustrator. So let's get started the video. At first, select the text, go to Effect, click on Rough, and select Arc from the list. A preview box will appear. Click here and from the menu you can select a style. Use the band slider to make the text inwards or outward. And use these two sliders to further work the text horizontally and vertically. So there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at SkillWeb. This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.